Hey, I'm back with another AQA A Level Sociology exam question. This question can be found in the Theories and Methods section of Paper 1 and Paper 3. The question is, outline and explain 2 reasons why experiments are often associated with the positive approach in sociology. This question requires you to know the different types of experiments, including a laboratory experiment conducted in a controlled artificial setting and a field experiment carried out in the participant's natural environment. You'll also need to know the preference of a positivist. This includes the fact that they take the structural view, which explores how the structures in society influence our behaviour, the fact that they collect large amounts of data to then generalise to other groups in society, the fact that they're concerned with the behaviour itself rather than why the behaviour occurred. They believe that sociology is a science and therefore society should be studied scientifically, and they also like to collect quantitative data to do that. The first Peel paragraph for this 10 marker could discuss the use of experiments collecting quantitative data to explore how the independent variable affects the dependent variable. This could then lead into a discussion of how quantitative data is more generalisable than qualitative. Both of these features are preferences of a positivist. You could then show your breadth of knowledge by referring to how the data from a field experiment is going to be specifically more generalisable to a real-life setting. The 10 marker finishes with in sociology. To make your answer specific, you can include sociological research. For example, the Perry Preschool Project and Crime Prevention Study from the Crime and Deviance topic in Paper 3. This study involved the use of a field experiment to collect quantitative data to look at patterns to do with qualifications and the number of arrests someone had received. This experiment used the type of data favoured by a positivist and drew conclusions that were then generalised against something favoured by a positivist. Give yourself 7.5 minutes to answer half of this 10 marker. Pause the video here. I'll reveal one model paragraph for this 10 marker in 3, 2, 1. Multiple concepts have been discussed within this video. Comment types of data, types of experiments, perspectives in methods, or sociology as a science for a separate video on those.